Leet code question 2169. Count operations to obtain 0. Here's how you solve it. Initialize the counter. The variable value is initialized to 0. This will count the number of operations performed. While loop, the while loop continues as long as both num1 and num2 are non-zero. Swapping if necessary. Inside the loop, there's a check if num1, num2. If num1 is less than num2, their values are swapped. This ensures that num1 is always the larger number for the subsequent operations. Incrementing the counter efficiently. Instead of subtracting num2 from num1 repeatedly, one at a time, the code uses value plus equals num1/num2. This line adds to value the number of times num2 can be subtracted from num1 in one go. For example, if num1 is 10 and num2 is 3, instead of subtracting 3 times, it calculates 10 3, which is 3, and adds this to value. Updating num1. Num1 sen equals num2 updates num1 to be the remainder of num1 divided by num2. This is equivalent to subtracting num2 from num1 until num1 is less than num2, but is done in one step. Returning the result. Once either num1 or num2 becomes 0, the loop exits, and the method returns the total number of operations performed, which is stored in value.